Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, very delicious toasts will be made at home using great techniques. You can watch how to make egg toast, minced toast, sujuk and beef bacon toast. Square sliced toast bread, butter, sliced cheddar cheese, similar to mozzarella cheese. Egg and acuka sauce, I have shared how to make this sauce before. Cottage cheese and red pepper flakes. There is no need to use an electric toaster, such a simple fire plate will do the trick. Add 2 eggs to bowl and mix, add salt. Add some butter. Add the egg and cook without over-drying. Add curd cheese, add chili flakes. With the heat of the top of the iron, the top of the egg will be cooked. Fold the egg and cut it to the size of the breads. If you want the breads completely toasted, toast the inside beforehand. Adding red sauce, which is a mixture of tomato paste, walnuts and spicy. Add cheese and eggs. You can add ketchup. Add cheese. In short, sauce the breads, add the cheeses on the top and bottom. Prepare with the other ingredients in the middle. Wait in the toaster at medium heat until the cheeses melt and the breads are browned. You can put some butter on the bread. Egg toasts ready. The toasts are very hot right now. It will be good to cut them with a knife and wait for them to cool a little. You can choose cold fruit juices next to these toasts. Necessary ingredients for making minced toast: minced beef, green peppers, onions and tomatoes. Cook the minced meat first, chop the onions. Add the minced meat and onions to the pan and mix. Chop green peppers. Add butter. Chop the tomatoes. Add salt. Add black pepper. Add some cumin. After the ground beef is ready, you can start preparing the ground beef toast. Some butter. Add the egg and add ground beef. Add ketchup to bread. You can add some strained yogurt and mayonnaise mix. I can say that it is a very rich and satisfying toast. Finally, you can watch the toasts you can make using beef pastrami and beef sujuk. Pepper, tomatoes, and eggs you can still use optional. Add ketchup to the breads and spread it all over. Beef sujuk, it does not contain chicken or pork. This is known as Turkish sucuk. It will be enough for 2 slices of bread. Cook the sujuk slices a little bit first, it won't be too dry. Add eggs. In the same way, add cheese to the lower part, add the ingredients to the middle part, and cheese to the upper part. Add some salt and pepper. Chop some green peppers and tomatoes to make toast with beef bacon. Cheddar cheese and butter. Add the butter to the inside of the bread. Lightly cook the beef bacon. Tomatoes need to be dehydrated. You can separate a little excess water with a napkin. Add tomatoes and cheese. Add the beef bacon. Serve with tomatoes after the bread is toasted. Don't forget to click the like button. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.